Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruno, and if you're new here guys, go ahead and subscribe right now. And of course, listen, that YouTube algorithm is killing everyone. So for the sake of it, smash the like button so we can beat that algorithm because it's been acting up. So let's go ahead guys, smash the like button before we begin. And once that's done guys, let's go and jump right into the video. So guys, anyways, in today's video, I want to share with you guys 5 tips that could help you get a job right after graduation, or if you're looking for a job right now. Listen, throughout this video, I might be referring to students quite a lot, but really these tips I'm about to share with you guys should apply to pretty much anyone in this world. And with this pandemic, you never know, the tips I'm about to show you guys may really help you secure that job that you've been waiting for. So guys, without any further ado, and in no particular order, let's begin. Let's go. Tip number 1, internship. Guys, whether you're doing a 12-month internship or 3-month internship are the quickest way of gaining organized feedback to you as a software developer, always an accountant, always a teacher, always a business analyst. It doesn't matter. They will pretty much expose you to the field that you think you want to pursue. Internship guys will also give you an idea of what it's like to work in a particular field, and they will help you identify whether or not you want to pursue a career in that particular field. So it is very important that you guys do it because it's gonna expose you. And guys, listen, let's not forget, once you do a placement or internship, they will teach you how to work on a team, and then they're great because they will obviously help you build up that portfolio and have a nice resume because you have things to talk about it on your resume. So guys, really, if you ever get an opportunity to do a 12-month, a 3-month, 6-month, it doesn't matter, for however long it is, internship, go for it guys. Just take it on because it's gonna tremendously help you. So yeah, go for it guys. Tip number 2, build side project. Guys, listen, university have a lot of stuff that they teach you. It's good. Listen, uni projects are great, but if you're willing to go to the big fish, big companies, I'm talking about here, FANG, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Apple, those big companies, you gotta do more than just, uni projects. By doing side projects, you're pretty much filling up the knowledge gaps for the concepts that are not taught inside the classroom. So really, I'm talking about here guys, stepping out of your comfort zone. Really step out of your comfort zone and start taking on challenges that will expose yourself, that will help you grow, whether that is as a developer or as a business analyst, whatever the case may be guys, you gotta step out and do more than just uni stuff. You get me? Also, bear in mind guys, when you're doing side projects, you're essentially building up your portfolio. By building up your portfolio, that will set you apart from many other candidates when you lot are applying for the same job role. So really, if you ever get an opportunity guys to do something on the side, apart from uni work or whatever the case may be, go for it. Like, for real, just go for it. You won't regret it. Trust me, go for it. Step number 3, have your CV, your cover letter and your LinkedIn done and updated. Lads, having your CV done early as possible will put you in a much better position. I guarantee you, trust me, it will. Not only you'll be able to apply for jobs early, but you also have a higher chance of actually securing a job as soon as possible. And guys, bear in mind, if you are at uni, you have the chance to put all your attention towards your education, which is good, and therefore you won't have to worry or stress about applying for jobs during your exam seasons. Trust me, it's not good. If you do exam, you apply for job, rough, stressful as hell. You don't want that. But for real guys, by all this I mean have all this stuff really sorted out as soon as possible, because at the end of the day, you want the best. You want the best for yourself, right? And most applications will be open from August, so please go ahead and just start applying, honestly. And let's just address one thing here, because these are tips, but it's also, I want you to guys be prepared emotionally, mentally, physically, that you will be rejected. Companies will reject you. The key thing is, get up and move forward. Like, just get up and carry on moving. That's it. Don't stress, move forward. It is life, it is where it is, we're moving forward, yeah? Step number 4, be bold and go the extra mile. By this, what I'm trying to say is be ready to leave your comfort zone and take on challenge that will expose yourself. Remember, we don't grow inside our main bubble because we're just too comfortable there. So be willing to go the extra mile to put yourself in a much better position for your career. That could be anything, guys. For example, you can take on extra courses, you can take on extra classes. Listen, whatever it is the case may be, just be willing to take that extra challenge that will put you in a much better position. And let me give you an example here. Let's say you are a software developer and you're very comfortable with backend development. Listen, why don't you go ahead and add a bit more of stuff? Like, why don't you start doing more front-end stuff? Now, if you think about it, you know a bit of back-end stuff, you know a bit of front-end stuff, you're heading to a place where you can become a full-stack developer. So that means you have more skills and therefore more opportunities for you. Does that make sense? Like, guys, whatever it is, just take on that extra challenge, that extra course, that extra class. Just go for it. It's gonna help you one way or another. Last but not least, your degree. Yes, your degree. Listen, despite what you may believe, but your degree can actually impact you when it comes to getting a job. Just an opinion. I'm not saying that having a degree it's needed or that it's gonna guarantee you get a job, but I'm saying having a degree can help you to a certain degree. It just increases your chance of securing your job. So really, whatever you have, guys, make sure you use it. Don't take it for granted. My last tip for you guys is my bonus tip, which is pretty much, guys, is the following. If you get an opportunity to take on those free or paid online courses that could help you towards your career, I would say go for it, take it. And another tip that I'm gonna give it to you guys is to be very patient and kind to yourself, because hey, it ain't easy out here to get a job. And remember, we're in a pandemic right now. Things are much more difficult, but ain't impossible. It's not impossible. It's just have that patience and obviously keep on moving forward. Don't feel down. Just get up and move forward. Yeah, guys, listen, I'm gonna wrap the video up here. I just hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you have watched all the way to this end, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Now give it a like, please, and subscribe, and share this video to 1 or 2 people that could help them, secure a job. It could. I'm not saying I will. It could. But let's go ahead, guys, and see you guys in my next one. Yeah. Stay blessed and stay hungry. Let's go. Peace.